We have a really neat surprise for everyone. It's right behind me. And we named him Star. We came out here this morning, actually this afternoon after work, and found out Titus said, "Mommy, where'd that little calf come from?" And I don't know if it's a boy or a girl yet. Looks like it's a boy.
I want to name the baby calf. I want to name the baby calf Star.
Star? Oh, I love Star. Let's do Star. Okay, there's Star and her mama Rosie. We'll go ahead and work on milking her because her bag is huge. Good girl. So we'll go ahead and get her all situated. Okay, just a minute, okay? Just in case I get kicked,
I want to
okay?
come in with you. I want to come in with you.
But you guys are awesome. Keep your hands in your pockets. You won't get too cold. Okay, you can take that for me. Just put that right out there. So we've never milked this cow. And with Jerseys, you have to start milking them as soon as they have babies, or else they get really too hard and they can get mastitis. So I'm just going to milk her out a little bit to help that calf. Can you see me okay, bud? And so that calf then can get that milk too. So we'll just go ahead and milk her here. She's a really sweet cow, so I don't think she'll kick at me at all.
So now we can make chocolate milk.
Yeah, we can.
Daniel, we can start making chocolate milk.
She's a really sweet cow though, so I'm not too worried about her kicking. She's very dry and just need to get her ready for nursing. You can see, like, I'm just in this little stall with her.
I know, I want to see.
You know, and she's been handled before. But you do need to be careful. Just kind of get in. Let them know you're not going to hurt them. And it's nice, too, to save some of this colostrum.
I want to come in.
Just in case your cat...
I want to come in, Mama. Daniel won't let me. I can't open, Titus. Can't see, Mama.
What, honey?
I can't see you in the camera.
Okay, honey. It's just a camera, bud, showing what I'm doing.
He's really cute. I like it.
Yes, he's a good baby. He's a good baby.
Mama, I'm tickling the baby cat.
Yeah. Yes.
fun having a baby calf.
Yeah. Here he is.
Mama, can this baby calf stand up?
Uh-huh. Remember you saw him up earlier?
Yeah, well, Mama, why could Rosie not stand up why could Rosie not stand up for a long, long time?
Well, because the little baby was probably coming and she needed to stay.
This is a cute little baby.
What?
He's a really, really cute calf.
Yeah, he's snuggling with her.
Yeah.
What'd you name her or him?
Star.
Star? Is that Star?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Star.
So I'm in here with her, and really you're just looking to make sure she's not too full. Because if she's too full, then she'll be in pain, and we don't want that. So what we're looking for though is I went ahead and milked her, and she's not too hard anymore. So
Bend that, Mama. Mama, can that please be your blankie?
yeah, we're just gonna get him
What are
nice
you
and
learning
warm.
about? Oh, Mama, I need that towel.
No, stay there, but don't go behind her. She might kick.
Oh, Mama, we're gonna. Here she is.
Hi, Daddy.
I need that towel.
Yeah, we're
need
good.
that.
I got her separated with the calf.
Okay, the shelter.
In the pen, I put a bunch of hay in
Nice
here so
and
he could lay down. He's just laying down right now.
See?
Oh,
Cute little calf. Yeah.
Okay, does he look okay?
I think so. I haven't seen him nurse yet, but he was up and walking around, and he was pretty dry.
How big is he? I mean, he seems early.
I mean, he's a good size. I was able to pick him up.
Okay, all right. Well, Helen from Cody Feed, Al's wife, is going to drop off some calf guard.
Oh, okay. That just goes in his mouth.
Yeah, so it'll be two bottles. She'll give you a syringe with a needle and 2 bottles. Do you remember how I did that?
Yeah.
Okay, so you'll take the liquid, you'll shake the liquid, you'll take it. Read the instructions, but from what I remember, you'll shake the liquid, you'll draw it out with the needle.
No.
The powdered bottle. You'll push the liquid in there, and then you'll shake it for like 20 or 30 seconds.
Yeah.
And then you'll draw that out into the syringe. And I always pull the syringe off, and you'll shoot that liquid in his mouth.
Okay.
That just keeps him from getting scours, and especially if they're premature, you want to get that in them. But I mean, I wasn't planning on having that calf for almost another 8 weeks, so I think a calf's premature because I don't remember turning that bull out till September 1st.
Yeah. Oh, he's sure cute.
And
Good.
he has a
Okay,
Titus.
everybody's doing okay?
Yeah, Titus named him Star. He's shivering quite a bit though.
Yeah, well, it's probably cold there. We've got a heat lamp in the feed room in that big gray bin, I think, if you want to throw in there. If there's not one in there, there should be one over in the chicken coop.
Okay.
But he'll probably be fine. Did you see her pass the placenta?
No. I mean,
Okay,
he came out here and I was like, I wouldn't have even seen him.
But I saw him.
Yeah,
One
Titus.
other thing you probably want to do you remember how we dip their belly buttons in formaldehyde or whatever that
Yeah.
was, the iodine?
Yeah.
If you can do that, it's best to do that to keep any infection from getting in there.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm sorry all this happened when I was gone.
Yeah, way to go. It's all your fault.
Mama.
Are you okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Well, if it gets real cold tonight, or you think you need to, throw a heat lamp in there. We've got a hook up there that we hang them on.
Okay.
And then you'll just have to run an extension cord through the side over there and plug it in back there where that tensor's plugged in.
Okay.
You know, that power post. So.
Yeah.
But,
Alrighty. Okay, we love you.
Send me pictures if you get one.
So what we're doing here is I need to dip his umbilical cord in some iodine just so he's not at risk for any infection. So we'll see how this goes because I've never done this by myself. My husband's usually here, but he is on a work conference trip and I'm all by myself. So hopefully this will work. Okay, honey, look out.
Ashley?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm just dipping his little umbilical cord in iodine. Hi.
How's it going?
Of course. Brett would leave me. He was sucking on my hand a little bit. Hey, buddy.
Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty.
Hey,
So cute.
got in there.
Oh my goodness.
We're just checking on our baby calf. Where's Rosie? Oh, he's in there. Looking good. He's not shivering. Looks like he's all tucked in. He's a cutie. Good job, girl. You did good. Right, honey. Good boy.